how to fix Instagram messaging update easily and fast. So hello guys, welcome to this new brand video. I'm gonna show you how to fix the Instagram messaging update easily. Many people have this problem, so I decided to make this video and I am sure that it will help you a lot. First thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode, go back, open the apps manager, go to the apps, go to the Instagram app on your phone, click here on force stop, and then go back to the settings, click on wireless and networks, disable the airplane mode, and then go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS, search for Instagram and click here on update. And that's it, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.